Good morning everyone. See, today we are starting one new topic, equivalent fractions. See, in this three columns are given. In three columns, first one, that is one is shaded and one is unshaded. So it will become your out of two only one is shaded, so 1 by 2. And in second one, four columns are given here, out of these two are shaded, so it will become your 2 by 4, because out of 4 2 are shaded, so 2 by 4. Then in next one, 6 columns are given there, and out of these 3 columns are shaded, so here it will become 3 by 6. Okay, so today we are studying about equivalent fractions. So, equivalent fractions. Now see, what are equivalent fractions? Though written in different ways, they represent the same value. Thus, fractions having the same value are called equivalent fractions. The fractions which have the same value are known as equivalent fractions. Equivalent means equal valued. There are two ways to obtaining equivalent fractions of a given fraction. See, first one example is given here, 1 by 2. For finding the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2, we have to first of all multiply 1 by 2, then in denominator 2 is given. If you are multiplying the numerator by 2, then you have to multiply the denominator also by 2, so it will become your 2 by 4. Okay, then 1 by 2, again you have to take this. See, if you have to find 4 equivalent fractions of 1 by 2, so your one equivalent fraction is 2 by 4, then here you have multiplied by 2, then multiply by 3. If you are multiplying it by 3, here also you have to multiply by 3, so it will become your 3 by 6. So take next one, 1 by 2, multiply by 4 now, here also multiply by 4, it will become your 4 by 8. Okay. Now see, so what are the equivalent fractions here? These are 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 4 by 8. These are the equivalent fractions of 1 by 2. Okay. Now see next example. That is given 2 by 4. If 2 by 4 is given, now see this both are the same values. So we can directly, first of all you have to divide if we are getting the same values here. Means both are even numbers, so you can easily divide it. They both are different values, but you can divide it easily. So when you are dividing it by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So your number is 1 by 2. Now you have to find the equivalent factors, equivalent value of 1 by 2. So when you are taking the equivalent value of 1 by 2, see it's one more method is given. You have to 1 by 2 is given here. You first value got here. Now second one, if 3 by 6, that we got in first only. Then next value is 4 by 8 and 1 by 2. So how you got these values? The same method is there. 1 by 2, that is multiply by 2, multiply here by 2, then 2 by 4. Then again you will get here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Same value you are getting here, 1 by 3, 1 multiply by 3 and 2 multiply by 3. Here you are getting 3 by 6. That is the value you got here, 3 by 6. When you multiply 1 by 4 and 2 by 4, you will get here 4 by 8. That is the same value you are getting here. Okay. See, one more example I will tell you. See, if you have to find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. So what are the next 4 equivalent fraction of 3 by 5? That is 3 by 5 is equal to 3 into, first of all you have to multiply by 2. Then here also 5 multiply by 2, that is 3 twos are 6, 5 twos are 10. Now 3 multiply by 3, 5 multiply by 3, that is 3 threes are 9 and 5 threes are 15. 3 multiply by 4 and 5 multiply by 4, that is you got here 12 by 20. Okay. Then 3 multiply by 5 and 5 multiply by 5. That is 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. So which are the next four equivalent fractions of 3 by 4? That is 6 by 10, 9 by 15, 12 by 20 and 15 by 25. So whenever you want to find the equivalent fraction, you have to start multiply by 2, 3, 4, 5. How many they are asking? This much you have to multiply. Why you are not multiplying by 1? That is, when you are multiplying by 1, you will get the same fraction, that is 3 by 5. That is already given here. So you have to multiply directly by 2. Okay. Now see, what are cross products? Now we are studying about cross products. Now see, for finding cross products, see if 2 by 3 and 6 by 9 is given. So on multiplying the numerator and the denominator of 2 by 3 by 3, if 2 by 3 is given, you are multiplying the denominator by 3, that means you have to multiply the numerator also by 3. Here you are getting 6 by 9. So 2 by 3 and 6 by 9, that is, you have to find the cross product of this. Now see, to find the cross product 2 by 3 and 6 by 9, in this case what you have to do? Cross product means this you have to multiply by 2 and 3 you have to multiply by 6. So 2 multiply by 9, that is 2 multiply by 9 and 3 multiply by 6. 9 2s are 18 and 6 3s are 18. So what is the cross product of 2 by 3 and 6 by 9? That is 18. Okay. Now see, example number 6. Write 4 equivalent fractions of 4 by 9 and 20 by 60. For finding the next 4 equivalent fractions of 4 by 9 means 4 multiply by 2, 9 multiply by 2. Then 4 multiply by 3, 9 multiply by 3. 4 multiply by 4 and 9 multiply by 4. Then 4 multiply by 5, then 9 multiply by 5. That is 20 by 45, 36, 27. Okay. So which are the next 4 equivalent fractions of 4 by 9? That is 8 by 18, 12 by 27, 16 by 36 and 20 by 45. Okay. Now see, example number 7. Example number 7. Replace star in each of the following by the correct number. See, 3 by 7 is equal to 9 by star is given here. Now you have to replace star. You have to replace the star in each of the in place of star you have to put correct number. So how you got here 9? 3 by 7 is given there. Then in what condition you got here 9? When you have multiplied it by 3. So when you are multiplying the numerator by 3, you have to multiply the denominator also by 3. देखिए, आपको ऐसा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करना है कि आपको इक्वल टू में जो न्यूमरेटर दे रखा है वहाँ पे आपको 9 मिल जाए. तो यहाँ पे 9 लेने के लिए आपको यहाँ पे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. तो 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 दैट इज 9 एंड हियर 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3. इट मीन्स अगर आपको डिनोमिनेटर में when you are multiplying numerator by 3, that means you have to multiply denominator also by 3. So here you are getting 21 and that is your answer. B star by 9 is equal to 20 divided by 9. Divided by 90. So now see, when your 0 is there, here also 0, so you can directly divide 0 by 0. Now what is there? Star multiply by 9 is equal to 2 multiply by 9. Okay, so star is equal to 2 multiply by 9 divide by 9 because it is given in multiply, so you can directly divide 9 by 9, so star is equal to 2. That is your answer. Okay, now see, let us start some exercise questions. Here's exercise 6C. See, first question, find the equivalent fractions of 4 by 9. Equivalent fraction of 4 by 9. In A, what is given? Its numerator must be 16. Numerator is equal to numerator 16. For numerator 16 means 4 by 9 is equal to 16. And so in what condition you got here 16? When you have multiplied 4 multiplied by 4, then if you are multiplying numerator by 4, it means you have to multiply 9 also by 4. So 4 4s are 16 and 9 4s are 36. So here you got the numerator 16, and yes, we got the numerator 16 here. So this is our expression. Now see question number B. For denominator is equal to 81. It means you have to take the denominator 81 here. Then how you are getting the denominator 81? If 4 by 9 it is given. So when you are multiplying, ऐसा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करना है कि आपको डिनोमिनेटर में 81 मिल जाए. तो अगर आप इसमें 81 लाना चाहते हो तो यहाँ पे काय से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? 9 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 9. So when you are multiplying denominator by 9, it means you have to multiply numerator also by 9. So 9 9s are 81 and 4 9s are 36. Okay. Now see, numerator is equal to 24. So 4 by 9 is equal to 24. It means in numerator you need 24. So 4 multiplied by 6. So when you are multiplying 4 by 6, it means you have to multiply 9 also by 6. So you will get here 4 6 are 24 and 9 6 are 54. Okay. Now see D, denominator 45, that you have to do. Okay. Now we will do question number 2. So question number 2, find equivalent fraction of 27 by 36 by finding the value of at the rate okay, by finding the value of at the rate. So 27 by 36 is equal to 3 by at the rate is equal to the rate by 24 is equal to 54 by at the rate. Now see, if it is given here 27 by 36, अब 27 by 36 में आपने ऐसा क्या नंबर मल्टीप्लाई किया कि यहाँ पे 3 और नीचे कुछ आपको फाइंड करना है कि यहाँ पे क्या आएगा. सो हियर सी, अगर यहाँ पे आपने 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 9 किया और यहाँ पे 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 9 किया, हियर यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग द सेम न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर्स आर सेम हियर बाई विच नंबर यू हैव मल्टीप्लाइड एंड हियर 3 by 4 इज गिवन. सो अब यहाँ पे क्या नंबर आ जाएगा? 3 एट द रेट की जगह 3 by 4. अब ऐसा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करना है कि यहाँ पे 24 आ जाए, डेट इज 4 6 are 24, हियर मल्टीप्लाइंग बाई 6. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? 18. ओके और इधर क्या हो जाएगा? 24. अब ऐसा मल्टीप्लाई करना है कि यहाँ पे क्या आ जाए? 54. 18 में ऐसा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो 18 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3. सो हियर 24 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3. नाउ सी, आई विल मेक द इक्वेशन. 27 by 36 एज इट इज इट विल कम इज इक्वल टू 3 by 4 आया है. यहाँ पे 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया था, जब जाके यहाँ पे 36 आया. 9 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तब यहाँ पे 36 आया, और यहाँ पे भी 9 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तब 27 आया. इक्वल टू एट द रेट की जगह यहाँ पे 18 आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे 24 एज इट इज इक्वल टू 54 यहाँ पे गिवन है और 24 के बाद यहाँ पे ऐसा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करना है कि 24 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 72. Okay, so this is your answer. Now see question number 3. Find the equivalent fraction of 1 by 4 that has third. Find the equivalent fraction of 1 by 4. Equivalent fraction of 1 by 4 that has a numerator क्या होना चाहिए 3. इट मीन्स 1 बाई 4 इज इक्वल टू यहाँ पर 3 आना चाहिए. यहाँ पे 3 लाने के लिए यहाँ पे कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1 बाई 3 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 एंड 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 दैट इज 3 बाई 4 3s are 12. ओके, नाउ सी सेकेंड बी डिनोमिनेटर इज इक्वल टू 8. अब डिनोमिनेटर में आपको 8 चाहिए 1 बाई 4 इज इक्वल टू 8. ओके, अब ऐसा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करोगे यहाँ पे 8 आ जाए तो 1 बाई 4 ऑब्वियसली यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 4 बाई 2 हियर ऑल्सो बाई 2 सो 2 बाई 8. ओके, नाउ सी एंड डी दैट यू हैव टू डू न्यूमरेटर 7 and denominator 20. Okay, question number C and D that you have to do. Now see, find 4 equivalent fractions of fourth A. 2 by 3. You have to find 4 equivalent fractions of 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 multiply by 2 here multiply by 2 that is 4 by 6. Now 2 multiply by 3 3 multiply by 3 that is 6 by 9. 2 multiply by 4 and 3 multiply by 4. Now 2 multiply by 5 and 3 multiply by 5. Okay, so which are your next 4 fractions, equivalent fractions, that is 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 8 by 12 and 10 by 15 are the next 4 equivalent fractions of 2 by 3. Okay, now see question number B, 4 by 5. So which are the next 4 equivalent fractions you have to find? So 4 multiply by 2, 5 multiply by 2, that is 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. So more 4 multiply by 3 and 5 multiply by 3, that is 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. 4 multiply by 4 and 5 multiply by 4, 20. Okay, so 4 multiply by 5 and 5 multiply by 5, that is 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So which are the next 4 equivalent fractions? That is 8 by 10, 12 by 15, 16 by 20 and 20 by 25. Okay, now see question number D we will solve. It is little bit different. C and D, C that you will solve, D I will solve now. That is 14 by 16. Now see, in this fraction can you divide this number 14 by 16? You can divide it by 2 when you are dividing it by, because both the numbers are even number and both the numbers are divided by the same number. So 2 7s are 14 and 2 8s are 16. So here when you are dividing it, you will get here 7 by 8. So you have to find the fractions of 7 by 8. So when you are finding the fractions of 7 by 8, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So when you are multiplying it by 2, here you are getting the same number again. That is, we have divided already. So don't multiply it by 2, just multiply it by 3. So here you are getting 21 by 24. Now see, 7 multiply by 4, 8 multiply by 4. 28 by 32. Okay, now see 7 multiplied by 5, 8 multiplied by 5, that is 35 by 40. So which are the next 4 equivalent fraction, that is 7 by 8, 21 by 24, 28 by 32 and 35 by 40. So see, when you are getting any fractions that can be divided by the same number, so divide it, after that take out the fractions. Now see, reduce each of the following fractions to their lowest term. Remaining question E and F, that also you have to solve. See question number 5. Reduce each of the following fractions to their lowest term, that is A, 48 by 60. How you can divide 48 by 60? First of all, divide it by 2. When you are dividing it by smallest term, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 24 you are getting here, 2 3s are 6, 0. Now again you have to divide it by 2, that is 12, here 15. Now see, when you are dividing it by 3, 3 6 are 12, 3 5s are 15. Now here you got the lowest term is 6 by 5. Now B, 126 by 90. So how you can divide it? First of all, divide it by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 45. Now see, divide it by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, remainder 1, 3 5s are 15. Again by 3, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. So here lowest term you got here 7 by 5. Okay, now see, (169) divided by 299. Now see, 169 you know that it is the square of 13. So when you are multiplying 13 by 13, so you are getting here 169, because 169 is the square of 13. So directly divide by 13. So in how many times you can multiply 13, that 299 will come. So multiply 13 by, when you are multiplying 13 by 10, here you will get 130. 13 multiplied by 13, here you will get 169. So take any number like 21. No, 21 will not be divided, because 3 ones are 3 only will get, you have to take here 9. So when you are dividing it, multiplying it by 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 9, 6 plus 3, 9, 2. So here you are getting 23. So the lowest term you got here 13 by 23. Okay, so rest of the questions do it. Question number 6 we will do now. Reduce each of the following fractions to their simplest form. 500 grams as fraction of kilogram. 500 gram as fraction of kilogram. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, so 500 grams are given here. 500 ग्राम को अगर आपको किलोग्राम में चेंज करना है, मीन्स यू हैव टू टेक इट इन डिवाइड, डेट इज 1500. सो डिवाइड इट, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, that is 1/2 is your fraction. Okay, now see second. B, that is 750 meters. 50 meters as a fraction of kilometer, as a fraction of kilometer. Okay, so 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so for 750, so take 750 divide by 1000, because you have to change it in fraction. So divide 0 by 0, 5 1s are 5, remainder 2, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 0, Now 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. It will become your 3/4. Okay. Now see question number C. That is 800 liters as a fraction of 2 kiloliters. 2 kiloliters. 800 liters as a fraction of 2 kiloliters. Okay. Now see 800 liters. So 1 liter is equal to 1000. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. Okay. Now see how to change it. They have asked of 800 liters of 2 kiloliters. 2 means 2 multiplied by 1000. So 2000. Now divide it. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 0. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. Will become your 2/5 liters. Now see question number D. 200 students of class 6 as a fraction of a total of 2000 students in a school. D. Question number D is 200 students out of 2000 students in a school. So 200 students out of 2000 students in full school. Divide it. 2 1s are 2, 10. So your answer is 1/10. This is the fraction of students in whole school. Okay. So we have completed this exercise. So try to solve the remaining questions. Okay, and try to solve the examples also. Okay. So in next lecture we will start our next topic, like and unlike fractions. Okay. Thank you.